Want to download videos from Reddit? In this video, I will show you on how you can download videos from Reddit. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to reddit.com. If you are using the application, you can open the app. If you don't have the app, head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search for Reddit. Now go ahead and tap on the install option, then open it and log into your account. Now, on the home feed, if you have found any video that you want to download, then all you want to do is tap and hold on that video. Now, you will find the option of download video. Go ahead and select that. As you can see, the file is now being downloaded. After it has been downloaded, tap on the open option and this should open up in your gallery. You can only download those videos where the owner has allowed the video to be downloaded. For example, in this case, the option of download video does not appear, so you're not able to download this video. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.